Have you ever finished filing your taxes on Wealthsimple Tax and seen a big, bold number with a minus sign in front of it? And then your mind races, thinking, oh no, I owe the government money. But hold your horses. Before you panic, let's break down what exactly owing means in the context of Wealthsimple Tax. Because chances are, it's not as scary as it sounds. First off, let's get one thing straight. Taxes are complicated. Really complicated. And while Wealthsimple Tax does an amazing job of simplifying the process, there are still some nuances to understand. So, let's dive in. Imagine your taxes as a big puzzle. There are pieces you bring to the table: your income, deductions, and credits. And then there are the pieces the government provides: tax brackets, rates, and calculations. When Wealthsimple Tax puts all these pieces together, it gives you a picture: your tax return. What does owing actually mean? Now, let's talk about that pesky owing amount. Essentially, it means that according to the calculations, you owe the government money. But before you start sweating, remember, there are a few common reasons for this. You made more money than expected. This is probably the most straightforward reason. Maybe you got a bigger bonus than anticipated, or you picked up a side hustle that generated more income than you realized. You claimed fewer deductions or credits. Deductions and credits are like discounts on your taxes. If you missed out on claiming some eligible ones, it can lead to a higher tax bill. Tax bracket creep. This one can be a bit sneaky. If your income increased, you might have slipped into a higher tax bracket. This means a larger portion of your income is taxed at a higher rate. Changes in tax laws change every year. Sometimes, these changes can result in higher taxes for some people. Don't panic yet. It's important to remember that just because you owe money doesn't mean you're in financial trouble. Many people owe taxes every year. The key is to understand why you owe and to have a plan to pay it. What to do if you owe? Don't ignore it. The worst thing you can do is ignore the problem. Open that Wealthsimple tax assessment and review it carefully. Understand where the owing amount came from. Check your numbers. Double-check all your income, deductions, and credits. Ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Create a payment plan. If you can't pay the full amount right away, don't panic. The CRA offers payment plans. You can also explore options like a line of credit or a personal loan. Consider tax-saving strategies. While it won't help with this year's taxes, start thinking about ways to reduce your tax burden in the future. Things like RRSP contributions, TFSA contributions, and claiming all eligible deductions can make a difference. A few more things to know. Interest and penalties. If you don't pay your taxes on time, you will be charged interest and penalties. So, it's crucial to pay on time or set up a payment plan. Refund versus owing. It's important to understand the difference between a refund and owing. A refund means the government owes you money, while owing means you owe the government money. Wealthsimple Tax Support. If you're really struggling to understand your tax return or the owing amount, Wealthsimple Tax offers support. Don't hesitate to reach out to them. Seeing a big owing amount on your Wealthsimple tax assessment can be scary, but it's important to stay calm and take action. Understanding the reasons behind it and creating a plan to address it is key. Remember, taxes are a part of life. And while they can be complex, tools like Wealthsimple Tax make the process a lot easier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.